It's been close to a month since the sexual assault case accused Prajwal Revanna flew out of the country with almost no headway in the probe. The focus has now shifted towards the war of words that's currently playing out between the Karnataka state government as well as the central government. In the latest development, a political slugfest taking place between H.D. Kumaraswamy and Chief Minister Siddaramaiah, with Siddaramaiah saying H.D. Kumaraswamy is trying to weaken the case, whereas Kumaraswamy says that it is Siddaramaiah government that did not take action on time. Saying that the government was aware of what was happening, the Deputy Chief Minister D.K. Shivakumar had videos of Prajwal Revanna but did not release it and released it only during the elections, calling it nothing but a political ploy. On the other hand, there are also reactions coming in with the MEA as well speaking about it. Kumaraswamy also raking up the death of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah's son Rakesh in a foreign trip. Listen in.
ವಾಸ್ತವಾಂಶಗಳು ಹೊರಗೆ ತರಬೇಕು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥದ್ದು ಇವರು ಯಾರಿಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಯನ್ನು ಸೇರಿಸ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ದೇವೇಗೌಡರ ಬಗ್ಗೆನೂ ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಮುಖ್ಯಮಂತ್ರಿಗಳು ನಾನು ನಿನ್ನೆ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಶ್ನೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೇನೆ ಅದಕ್ಕೋಸ್ಕರಲೇ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇವರ ಮಗ ವಿದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋದ್ನಲ್ಲ, ಪಾಪ ವಿದೇಶಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಆ ದುರ್ಘಟನೆ ನಡೀತಲ್ಲ, ಯಾವ ಒಂದು ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದು ಅವತ್ತು ಇವ್ರು ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ತಗೊಂಡು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರ? ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಇವ್ರ ಮಗನ ಜೊತೆ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರು ಹೋಗಿದ್ರು, ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ಇದ್ದರು, ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಡೆದಂಥ ಘಟನೆಗಳೇನು ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥಕ್ಕೆ ಒಂದು ತನಿಖೆ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಯಾತಕ್ಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ? ಅದನ್ನು ಯಾಕೆ ಮುಚ್ಚಿಟ್ರು? ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಇವರೇ ಕಳಿಸಿದ್ರು ಅವ್ರನ್ನ. ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಪರ್ಮಿಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟರು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೆಳೆದಂಥ ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಪ್ರತಿ ಕುಟುಂಬದಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿಯೊಂದು ಅವ್ರ ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಗಳು ಕೇಳಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ. ಈಗ ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಪೇಪರ್ ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ.
Now, the face-off between the centre and the state government has also intensified over the letter seeking the cancellation of Prajwal's diplomatic passport. Yesterday, S. Jaishankar, the External Affairs Minister, said that the Karnataka government's request to impound the passport was received only on the 21st of May. To this, Chief Minister Siddaramaiah said that he has written 2 letters to the central government, apart from the letters that have been written from the state police as well as the special investigation team, and yet no action has been taken.
MEA got this request from Karnataka only on the 21st of May. People were saying a lot of things to the press. I don't know about how other governments, state governments or otherwise function. We at least in MEA function as per the law.
ನಾನು ಬರೆದ ದಿನಗಳಾಯಿತು.
ಪ್ರೋಸೆಸ್ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಯಿತು. ರಾಜ್ಯ ಸರ್ಕಾರದ
15 ದಿನಗಳಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು. 15 ದಿನಗಳಾಯಿತು ಬರೋದು. ನಾನು ಮೊದಲನೇ ಲೆಟರು, ಎರಡನೇ ಲೆಟರ್ ನೋಡಿರ್ಬೇಕಾಗ್ತದೆ. ಪೊಲೀಸ್ನವ್ರು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ, SIT ಅವರು ಬರೆದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಏನು ಬರೀಬೇಕಂತೆ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ? ಮೊಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಕಲ್ಲು ಹುಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ್ದು. ಆಯ್ತಪ್ಪ ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮಿಂಗ್ ಫಾರ್ ದಿ ಆರ್ಗ್ಯುಮೆಂಟ್ಸ್. ಈಗ ಇಶ್ಯೂ ಮಾಡಿ, ಈಗ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
So that was the reaction of Chief Minister Siddaramaiah responding to what S. Jaishankar had said. Remember, when he was asked about it, Jaishankar said that a request from the Karnataka government came in only on the 21st of May. All right, on that note, we're slipping into a short break here. We'll be right back. Do stay with us.